Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video today where I'm going to show you how you can make your first $5 online using Fiverr. Now, $5 doesn't sound like a lot of money, but it is if you do it time and time and time again. So I'm going to show you in this video what you need to do to sign up, and I'm going to show you two sites. I'm going to show you Fiverr, and then I'm going to show you my secret site where I made $6,000, and I'm going to prove to you that I've done it. I'm going to show you how you can earn money daily using this method. It's some of it you can do for free if you've got some skills. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay $1. It's not a lot of money, and for that, you're going to make $5. It's newbie friendly. It works anywhere in the world, and you can do this over and over again, just like I did. Now, watch the video to the end, guys, where I'm going to show you my second site that I go to, where I outsource everything and get all my work done. And I'll show you my account of how I made over $6,000. It is super easy method to make money with Fiverr. Anyone can do it if you know how. And if you look at my secret method at the end, you can double or triple your income. Now, before we go any further, guys, please do me a favour and hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. Why? I upload videos every day. You'll get to see them every day. You'll be the first to try them out. You'll be the first to make money. And that is what this is all about. I want everyone to make money online. Now, if you're serious about making money online, I'm offering you some free training. If you go to the comments below, where it says there, get my free training, just click that link, guys, and it will take you to 7 videos I've put together about affiliate marketing and how you can make money being an affiliate. Super easy, free method. No sign up, it's all free, guys. I'm doing it for you to thank you for watching my channel. And if you want to make some money, it's a great start. So let's hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's get on with your So this is Fiverr, guys. Fiverr.com is a link below in the comments section. Now, most people know what this is. It's basically a platform where you can buy what's called gigs, and gigs are these little things here. They start from $5 and they go up to anything. They go up to $1,000, all right? And there is some serious money to be made on YouTube. Now, before you start panicking, you don't need to know nothing about these gigs, all right? You don't need to know how to do it, because I'm going to show you what you need to do. So don't worry too much about that. So, first of all, before we go anywhere, this is my Fiverr account. Let me show you some proof, because a lot of people make these videos and they don't know what they're talking about, earnings. So this is my account, and as you can see, I've made $6,436, and I've withdrawn virtually all. And if we go down, I know it's under analytics. It shows you my, I'm a level 2 seller. I've had 524 positive reviews, and I've sold to over 29% of the world, right? Which is quite amazing when you think about it. Even Ecuador, I've made a sale. Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Botswana, South Africa. You know, people are buying my gigs all over the world, as you can see, all right? Philippines, I mean, some crazy small little countries here. New Zealand, Australia. So I've made over $6,000. It's £5,000. I've done 959 orders. My average selling price is £7. Although it's a Fiverr, my customers on average spend £7 with me, and I'm spending out $1 to get these work done. So there's some big money in it. Now, you don't know anything about selling, is people you're probably thinking. You don't need to. All you need to do is find something that's relatively easy. Now, for me, if you're starting out, if you go to SEO services, or even better, backlinks, there's money. Now, just some examples here. This guy, SEO service, £20 it starts at, it's done over 1,000. This guy here, £40, it's done over 194. £32, 208. There is some serious money here. And this guy here, £101 he charges, and he's done 101 of them, weirdly. So one of the easiest things that you can get started with is backlinks. So hit backlinks there, and this comes up. I mean, look at this guy here, £170. So what you need to do is find a gig that sells backlinks. £202 that one there. Look, that is a lot of money. So let's find some backlinks. So let's go to, excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold today. Budget, our maximum we want to spend is a £5. So all these are doing backlinks. 168 sales, 914. So this is a good one. Let's look at this. So go into this. So this guy does 50 backlinks. He's done 914 at $5, £4.6. Now, if I could show you where you could get these for $1, you can see where the money is, right? And I'm going to show you in a second. So if you were going to do backlinks, what you would do, you would make yourself a graphic like this. Go to canva.com to do that. It's free. You would basically cut and paste this, but change it around a bit, all right? Don't do it exactly like that because you'll get banned. And then all you're going to do is you're going to go to my special site. And this is it here. It's SEOclarks.com. Right, so it's SEOclark.com. SEO Clark, SEOCLERK.com. So he does 50 high metrics. So just cut and paste that, and all you do is you go to SEO Clarks and you're going to search for some keywords. So you could type in backlinks in there. Whatever you want. So now you're just going to go down and find someone that's doing these for $1 or $2. You know, sometimes you don't always make so much. So here we go. So this guy does them for $2. This guy does them for $1. So what you do is you just look at his feedback. Let's have a look at this one. So he's done them for, well, this guy's even better. 2,500 do follow backlinks. They're good. He does them for $2. He sold hundreds and hundreds of them. So what you would do, you would just copy and paste this, change it around a little, advertise that on Fiverr. People buy it off your gig. You then go to here, you order off him for $2, and you're going to make a couple of dollars per one. You can see where I'm going with this, all right? Now, a lot of these people offer extras. So this guy offers premium standard, you get 100, premium, you get 200. And all you do, you go back to SEO Clarks, and you know you can do an extra 1,000 there. It's only going to cost you $2. The full Monty costs you $5, but then you'd up your price here. So instead of being $4 there, you'd make that $20, whatever, $30. So you can see where this is going. There is some serious money to be made using these sites, and that's exactly how I made $6,000. Now I'm going to actually offer you a much easier way of doing this. This is actually a business in the box. This is a long-term business that you could easily turn into full-time, okay? Now, this is my own product. It's called Fiverlicious. It's normally $17. I'm doing it today for $9.97, all right, if you're watching this video. And this is basically my step-by-step guide on how you can make a business in Fiverr, right? I'll show you everything that I've done, the gigs that I sell, where to outsource them, how to do it, how to design them. I show you everything in this product, all right? I do this part-time. You can see that I've made over $6,000. Super easy to do it, guys. Anyone can do this. There's 8 videos to go through, and I'll show you step by step how to make money. Buy them for $1 or a couple of dollars, sell them for $5, $10, $15, $20, right? It's not a get-rich scheme. This is so important. This is a make money for life. This is a business in the box. If you want a real business, guys, this is it. I've sold over 2,500 copies of this product, and the feedback is phenomenal. I've got my own Facebook group where we'll give each other advice. If you buy the product, you get that, and you also get a load of free bonuses that I'm offering you. You get obviously you get Fiverlicious, the product. I give you Chatbot Revolution, instant traffic leads, 10k blueprint, how to make £10,000 online, how to get loads of free traffic, and my Facebook money hack. Now, this alone makes me money every single day. I'll give you those for free, guys, if you buy from the link below. Now, I'm only offering this for 24 hours. There's feedback on here. Honestly, guys, if you've got $10 to spend it on this. It's the best $10 you're going to make. I've reduced it from 17. It's a business in the box. I show you everything that I done and I do to make money on Fiverr. It's a no-brainer, and I'm offering it to you on my YouTube channel today. So that's it, guys. Take action. It works 100%. And if you want to make some serious money online, this is a great way of doing it. But you don't need this. You can do it the other way. But I'm going to really show you how to speed things up. So I'm Bobby D. Thanks for listening.